Hi guys, welcome to this video. I am Prashant. I am the founder of Word Pandit and the Learning Inc. Network. I am bringing this word roots video to you wherein I explain word roots which have practical significance, which have some very important words based on them and which help us learn the English language, which is the word root for today. The word root for today is Anthrop. It comes from the Greek word anthropos, meaning human. This word root reflects both love and dislike for humanity. It is reflected to different shades of human beings and how human beings are related to this world, universe, etc. etc. Such a wide landscape that we have for this word root, and for that reason we've actually built two videos for this particular word root. We'll explore some very interesting examples in this video. Three words that we'll cover today are philanthropy, misanthrope, and anthropoid. The word philanthropy, it means love and concern for mankind. This is often expressed through charity and good deeds. Philanthropy aims to solve humanity's problem and create a better world for everyone. We all know of famous philanthropists all across the world. We've got Warren Buffett in America, we've got Azim Premji in India, we've got these different individuals who are involved in a lot of philanthropic ventures. Now, if philanthropy was about love, then misanthrope is about hatred. This describes someone who dislikes or distrusts human beings. It reflects all the negative aspects of humanity. Dishonesty, greed, jealousy, selfishness, anything. All of these can lead misanthropes to isolate themselves from society. They've had such bitter experiences in life that they've just decided to stay away from everything. And they've said, we are done with this world. We are going to stay away from this world. Third word for us today, anthropoid. Anthropoid refers to someone who resembles a human being. This is often used in biology to describe primates like chimpanzees, gorillas, which share human-like traits. It reflects similarities between humans and our closest animal relatives. In fact, these days it's also used to refer to robots which are very similar to us, which have human-like characteristics. They resemble a human being. So we saw in this video today three words, three perspectives of the word root anthrop, perspectives on humanity, love for humankind in philanthropy, distrust of it in misanthrope, and similarities with the human species in anthropoid. So keep exploring these deep human connections in language and keep discovering these new perspectives, because this is how you learn the language and build your knowledge base. Use our word roots videos to increase your knowledge and understanding of the world, because that's what we are doing. That's the mission that we are on. Thank you very much for watching this video and happy learning.